So fun lovers, here is I just got the Adidas Trefoil A33 fleece. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little unboxing. Ooh, this is fluffy, holy crap. Damn. Sweet. Tags. Size medium. Wow, this is it tastes like, or not not tastes, feels like a cloud almost. So yeah, let me open it up. Adidas logo here. Damn, this is nice. Sweet. Yeah, so let me put it on just so you can get an idea of how it fits. Okay, so I'm 5'7", about 160. And here's the Adidas Trefoil A33. This is really it's like a cloud. But yeah, no hidden pockets on the inside. The side pockets do not have a zipper. Just a heads up. So yeah, here is a 360. And I'll zip it up too. Yep, so I'm 5'7", 160. Really comfy, I gotta say. Happy with my purchase. It is, yeah, it fits not too tight, not too loose. Pretty true to fit. It's really comfy. Anyways, here is the fitting, the unwrapping and the fitting of the Adidas Trefoil A33 fleece jacket. Thanks for watching.